In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to shift C drive's files to D drive. Let's get started. First, launch your Files Explorer, then navigate to the option This PC. Now, open the C drive, then head towards the folder that you want to move to the D drive. Right-click on it and select the option Cut. Now, click on the option This PC, open your D drive, click anywhere on the screen and click on Paste. With that, the selected folder will be moved to this drive. You can head back, navigate to the C drive and check. Likewise, next thing you can do is right-click on the folder that you want to move, select the option Properties, then head over to Location tab and click Move and choose a folder inside your D drive. Confirm and Windows will automatically shift all files to D. This way, any new files you save in those folders will go directly to your D drive. And that's it. This is how you can easily shift files from C drive to D drive. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.